In today's video, I will teach you how to make a jigsaw puzzle collage in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a jigsaw puzzle collage in GIMP can be a fun and creative project, perfect for showcasing multiple images in an engaging way. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this. First, create a new image. To do this, navigate to File, then New, or simply press Ctrl-N to open the Create a New Image dialog. Then set the width and height to 3000 pixels each. Then choose the Fill With option as white and click OK. Now we're going to generate the jigsaw pattern. To apply the jigsaw filter, go to Filters, Render, Pattern, then Jigsaw. In the dialog, adjust the number of tiles for both vertical and horizontal arrangements based on your preference. Then choose the jigsaw style, either square or curved, then click OK. Now, select the jigsaw pieces by using the fuzzy select tool to click on a jigsaw piece and make a selection. Now, create a new layer by pressing Shift-Ctrl-N or going to Layer, then New Layer to add a new layer. Then name the layer Jigsaw 1 and choose Transparency as the fill type. Then click OK. Ensure that the background color is white by pressing the D key on your keyboard. Now go to Edit, then select Fill with Background Color and fill the selection with white. Now, to create a border, go to Select, then Shrink. Then adjust the shrink value, then click OK. Choose a gray color. Now go to Edit, Fill with Background Color. Now repeat these steps to create separate layers for all the jigsaw pieces. Now we're going to insert the images. Select the jigsaw layer where you want to insert the image. Then go to File, then open as Layers, or simply press Ctrl-Alt-O to open the image that you want to insert. Then resize and reposition the image by using the Scale tool and Move tool in the Transform tools. Now, toggle the visibility of the images layer by clicking on the eye icon. Then use Select by Color tool by going to Tools, then Selection Tools, then select by Color Select. Now, click on the images layer and go to Layer and add Layer Mask, then Selection. Then click Add. Now go to Select, then None, or simply press Ctrl-D to remove the selection. Now, repeat these steps to insert and mask all other images. And once you're satisfied, go to File, then Save, or simply press Ctrl-S to save your project in GIMP's native file format. This preserves all layers and settings for future editing. And to share or print your collage, export it in a widely used format like JPEG, PNG, or TIFF. By following these steps, you can create a stunning jigsaw puzzle collage in GIMP, showcasing multiple images in an artistic and engaging manner. Experiment with different images and arrangements to personalize your collage further. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.